Hey, am I on? I'm trying to decide. I've never done this yet on my phone. I usually do it on the computer. So, hi everybody, this is Judy. If anybody out there, let me know if I'm working or not. Tap to invite a viewer. Let's see. I got my camera away. I see a few people. Hi, Ashley. Yay, it's working. Well, anyway, I am going to do, as most of you might have saw, some of you might have saw my post, that I have joined Scentsy. And I used to be a Scentsy consultant, but it was under the umbrella of their sister, Grace Adele, where they sold purses. And of course, the company didn't continue selling those. So I've liked Scentsy for a long time, and I just decided to join Scentsy. And so I got my kit today, and I wanted to share with everybody if I can find something to open it with. Hold on just a second. But I have a big, huge box of goodies here. So let me show you the goodies I got. Look at this big box. Hope I don't mess up the camera. But look at that. You see it? That thing is huge. There it is. Anyway, I have got that today, and I am going to share with you what comes in the kit. You get the kit for $99, and I'm knocking everything off the desk here. You get the kit for $99, and you get all kinds of goodies with it. So I don't know what's in here for sure, but I'm going to show everybody, and you'll be seeing it, or the first time I see it, you'll be seeing it with me. So hold on. Let me see if I can unwrap it here. So I see a few people I haven't seen in a long time. Okay. How many of you are familiar with Scentsy? I don't think there's anybody that's not. If there's anybody that's not familiar, let me know. But Scentsy is a company that sells fragrance wax and warmers. They have started selling all kinds of stuff that I didn't know they had. They have laundry care, skin care, your waxes and your burners and all that good stuff. Even diffusers now, and some essential oils. So this box is this has got another box inside the box, and it's heavy, so I'm not going to try to lift up this whole box out of here. But here is, it looks like, it says Scentsy across it. It's a pretty little purple box, and I am going to get in it and see what's in it. And I think this has got just basically information about Scentsy for me. It looks like I have some kind of little flyers here. Make it yours, the Scentsy life. So if you want to join Scentsy, I guess it's a promotion for that. My product training guide. And it looks like some little folders for my catalogs. So anybody wants to have a party. I will probably do a lot of my work online. I'm just going to pitch this stuff. I don't have enough room here on my desk. I'm going to pitch it on the floor. And this says, welcome, consultant guide. Looks like, oh, and I got some labels. A pack of labels. So this looks like what's in this little pretty box. Mostly training stuff. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. Let's see what we got here. Got some packaging. And it looks like I got a little bag. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. I think it's a thermal bag. So when you have your waxes in, traveling with your waxes, they don't melt in your car. So yeah, that's what this is. It's a nice little bag, a little thermal bag. It says Scentsy on it. You got pockets here, pockets here. So this would be nice to use for parties, or if I'm just doing a basket party, I might just lend this out to the ladies. Okay. Oh, and I got some molds, samples. Some little molds to make samples. And, oh, it looks like clipboards. There's 3 little clipboards in here. Oh, one's real cute. I don't know if you can see all the little Scentsy stuff on it. That's cute. Okay. And it looks like I have catalogs. Pretty many here. Of course, so I'm sure they won't last long because I'm used to catalogs disappearing, so they don't last very long. Looks like I got 2 bars of wax, and let me see what fragrance I got. Salt and avocado. Hi, Troy. I see ya. This smells pretty good. I've been wondering, sea salt and avocado, when they would talk about it, I'd think that don't sound good. But I tell you what, this smells pretty good. Kind of smells clean. Fresh, clean. Hi, Rosie. And it looks like a black raspberry vanilla. Let's see what it smells like. That smells good. It kind of smells like grape. That smells good. And these are their bars. They're like $6 a pack. Okay, and let's see what else we got here. Laundry liquid. So as I use this stuff, I'm a first timer, so I'll let everybody know if I like it or not. I'll be honest with you. If I don't like it, I'll tell you. But I've heard nothing but good things about it. So it's called Amazon Rain. So I have a feeling this probably smells really good. And it looks like I have some order forms. And it looks like I got some plastic bags, I guess, to deliver orders or put orders in. One bag looks pretty big and the other ones look like a medium-sized bag. Got those. Okay, this is a Scentsy car bar to put in your car. And this one is, trying to see what the fragrance is. I don't see a fragrance on it. Yeah, Luna. I heard this is kind of masculine, that the guys like this one, ladies. So this, hi Aunt Rosie, or Rosie, not Aunt Rosie, Rose Bowling. So, oh, and I got a little buddy clip. Those that have grandchildren or little kiddos, look at this. This is so cute. They can clip these on their little book bags and travel with them wherever they want to go. This smells good. Oh, that is cute. Isn't that darling? And also, in case y'all don't know it, Scentsy has signed with Disney. So now they're partnering with Disney, and they had some of the extra little buddies that were Disney characters for Christmas, but some of them are already gone. But I heard they're going to be coming out with more, and they may be coming out with some warmers, we're hoping. We should find out in a few months. But this is the little buddy clip. I'm looking to see. Hi, Linda. Okay. Looking to see if anybody's speaking. If I miss you, I'm sorry, because I'm busy and I probably won't miss you. I'm not ignoring you. This is washer whippers. These are like salt, granules of salt. You put in your laundry load. They say do not put this in the top section, like where you put your detergent. So if you have a front loader, you want to open the door and put it in with the clothes that way. There's a little scoop in there. This smells good and it smells clean. This one's fragrance is Amazon Rain. It's hard to describe. But it smells good, y'all. That's that. And it looks like I have bathroom cleaner. Lemon. I can't read that. Verbena looks like. Bathroom cleaner. And it looks like I got some little plastic zip bags. These would be nice to put little samples in. And a room spray. I've heard nothing but good things about this. It's highly concentrated, so it just takes a little squirt in your room, and it smells really good. This one's called Vanilla Bean Buttercream. So let's see what it smells like. I got all this smelly stuff in my nose. Everything's going to smell the same. It smells like buttercream. A little bit of vanilla. Trying to think of what it reminds me of. It smells good, but that's very good. It smells very, very good. And it looks like these are my testers. A whole big old bag full, y'all. A lot of testers here. Okay, that's that. And it looks like I got a, not sure what, oh, this is brochures. It says, showcase, feels like home, fall and winter. Some little brochures. And this looks like a product guides. I think this lists all in little bitty form, all the products that's in the catalog. There. And looks like I got some samples of some other stuff. Looks like I got samples of the body care products. Pineapple coconut vanilla body souffle. Looks like they got several different products here, which I am new to. I haven't never smelled any of them yet. Pineapple coconut vanilla. I'm going to smell good. It's the same. Looks like I got a lot of pineapple coconut vanilla. Yeah. Lucky in Love. This one's called Lucky in Love. So that's some of the body lotions that I got. Okay. And the next is you get one warmer in your kit. So let's see what I got. If I ain't mistaken, this one is just kind of plain. It's not got anything fancy on it. I think it's ceramic, but I'm not sure unless I got a different one. You don't want me to open. Okay. This is called Etched Core. Etched Core. Hi, Maria. Hey, Homer. How are you? Okay, so this is your warmer. It looks like the first thing I get to is the little dish. That goes in, your little wax goes in there. It's kind of small dish, but it'll do the job, I'm sure. Okay. You gotta be careful because your bulb's in there, so don't pull it out if you get a kit and break your bulb. Yeah, this kind of looks like, I don't know what you would call it. It's got a rough texture to it. Let me put the bulb in it and we'll light it up and see what it looks like. It's not one of their bigger ones, it's kind of small. They've got some nice ones, y'all. You need to go on my website and look at them. They came out one for January that was beautiful. If you like bling, I'm all about bling. Yeah, it was very pretty. So I'm anxious to see what they come out with. But during the holiday, they had some awesome warmers. Okay. There's your little dish. It's right up. And you got your Scentsy logo on the back. So it lets you know it's a Scentsy warmer. And let's see what it looks like plugged up. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. It didn't come on, y'all. Uh-oh. I don't know. It could be my plug. Well, I hope it's not the warmer. That's not good, is it? But yeah, it's not. Oh, wait. I forgot it's got your little switch here. Duh, Judy. Yeah, you got a little switch right here to turn on. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that looks pretty lit up. So there you go. My little warmer that come with my kit. Can y'all see the lights that is coming through? There you go. Yeah, Brian, that would work. If I turn the switch on, makes a big difference, don't it? But that's it, y'all. I just wanted to share with you my kit, and I joined up to receive the warmer and scent of the month as well. And when I get that each month, I'll do a video and I will show it to everybody each month. If you're a consultant, you get the warmer, and I think you get like 10 bars of wax, some little smelly good stickers to sniff, and some brochures talking about the warmer and the scent of the month. So I'll be sharing that with everybody each month. And if you haven't joined me yet on my Facebook page, go and look up my name. I think you can look at Smelly Good Scents, and you'll find my business page. So I'll do a lot of my stuff on Facebook. So this is kind of different from me. I hope this video don't look stupid. Sometimes you feel ignorant when you've never done something before. But I've only done one live, so anyway, I just wanted to share it with everybody and let you know that I am a consultant. If you need anything, let me know. If you got any questions, ask me, and I'll be happy to. If I don't know the answer, I'll find out for you. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.